How to sign up for Microsoft Azure account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Microsoft Azure, create your free Azure account, and get free credits to start exploring the platform. Whether you're new to cloud computing or just want to experiment with Azure, this guide will get you started in no time, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Microsoft Azure website by typing in azure.microsoft.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Start Free button and tap on it. This will take you to a new page. Simply tap on Create Free or Start Free. To sign up for Azure, you'll need a Microsoft account. If you already have one, just enter your email and password to sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click on Create Now One and follow the prompts to set up a new account. After signing in, you'll be asked to provide some basic information like your name, country, region, and phone number. Make sure to enter your details accurately as Microsoft will use this for verification. Next, you can do the identity verification by phone or by your email. Simply choose whichever you prefer and you'll receive a verification code. Simply enter the code in the provided field and click verify. After that, simply agree to all the agreement and tap on sign up. And that's it, you've successfully signed up for the free Microsoft Azure account and received your credits.